Hey, I'm back from Lowe's and I have a new plan for my floor. So because I can't keep things simple, I grabbed two kinds of peel and stick flooring. Fancy barnwood planks for most of the van because I'm rustic like that, and soft Vienna smoke carpet by the bed because cold toes are not part of the adventure I signed up for. Here comes the fun part. We're going to try and get the Luan to the backyard. It's kind of very dark in the van, so we'll see how this measuring goes. I know I want one piece to cover up this gap, and it's an 8-foot piece. So we're gonna run it, probably run 4 foot off of here. So probably run one this way. And so that's a 4-foot sheet there. And it's how wide? We gotta cut. No time like the present. Let's get it cut. Probably a bad idea. I did it. Put it in there because I don't want to mess this up. I snapped off the rest of it. I didn't mean to saw it. Can't see it. So you think I'd have a better plan than this, but I don't. I was going to make that a deeper cut, and I thought, no, why would I do that? It'll be fine. This here is the culprit. So it lines up on the edge, but I have about an inch or so where I have to make this angle here on this so that it sits up flush. So let's do that. Hi friends. Okay, I've got 2 sections cut, and I think the best plan now is to glue down what I have so they're not shifting around and I don't have to worry about the 3rd section. Although, I think what I will do before I wrap up is cut this on the other piece so that tomorrow all I have to do is run it straight for the distance that I have left. So I have a template. Okay. All right. So here we go, the glamorous life of van building. First up, gluing down a giant floppy piece of Luan, because nothing says professional carpenter like wrestling a sheet of plywood that's thinner than my patience. Of course, the glue never comes out evenly, and basically it's a race against time before it sets in the wrong spot forever. Precision, never heard of her. Now we gently, and by gently I mean aggressively, shove it into place and pretend it's straight. Is it perfect? Nope. Is it going to squeak every time I step on it? Probably. But you know what? It's stuck now, and that's good enough for me. Look at me, a regular flooring designer now.